So, low mile C6Z.
Yep.
And
2,000 mile C6Z sent over from our friends at RPM Transmissions. It's one of their personal cars. They just got it completely, went through the drivetrain.
yeah, I heard
they
them.
re-geared the diff, rebuilt the trans, torque tube, everything. So we're gonna do our stage 4, I believe, with valve covers and everything. So
And we'll
really
get
nice, super clean C6.
Cool. We'll be getting a clutch.
They already did all that.
Okay.
Yep.
So anything
RPM
transmission related.
Did everything from the clutch back.
Cool. All right. So y'all just be breaking it down today and then getting into it tomorrow, most likely.
Yeah.
Cool.
Just getting started.
Cool. Alright, low mile C6Z, heads are out. I think they took the cam out, everything broke down, stripped down. And I believe Matt's about to put the cam in, and then we'll move on to heads. Alright, little update. Matt's got the Frankenstein heads in. And then to complete the stage 4, we're going to be adding the BTR Trinity intake manifold. So, just got these set in there, unboxing the manifold now. Oh, there's the manifold.
Little preview.
Perfect. Little preview.
Boy, the intake.
Gonna look awesome.
Sitting open overnight.
Cool.
They do look clean. I like them.
Yeah, I think it looks the best. Definitely better than the MSD, as far as
so
look.
Much better. 447 and your 711.
Alright.
Alright.
ARH going on, full system. Looks like it's bolting up pretty well.
Oh man, a cream soda would be sick. We don't have any?
No. Cream soda.
Yeah, you probably like the sound of that, don't you? Yeah, let's get them in there.
Everything coming along nice. We'll move up and show some more stuff of the BTR Trinity tomorrow. And then I'm not sure.
I can't believe how vocal you're getting.
Sorry, I'm really trying to like. Matt's putting it back together. He had to get the O-rings in since they don't put them in from factory. And then he'll be dropping it on the car.
I gotta drill a hole.
Yeah, we'll film that too. He's got to drill a hole. He's probably got to put his MAP sensor on the back.
MAP. M-A-P. MAP.
Damn. But yeah, should come out nice.
Matt,
Yeah.
when's the last time you seen a car with a bra?
Alright, what are we drilling? What are we tapping? Give me a little explanation. I'm sure
I'm drilling and tapping a port for the MPP exhaust valves.
Cool, and you said you don't always have to do this?
Well, if the car has aftermarket mufflers, then you won't need to.
Gotcha.
But if it retains valves, you'll need to use your hose that goes over to the hardline firewall on the firewall, and
Cool.
I'll just boop, right over there, just like factory.
Nice.
Put it right in the factory location, right beside the booster port.
Awesome. And that's the last thing you got to do to it before you put it in?
I think so, yeah.
Let's get that done. Cool. Sounds good. All right, Matt's got some more work done on this. He's got the fuel rails all in. Looks like the Nick Williams 103, I believe, is on. Gotten a lot of the hosing and stuff done. And then it is getting the Race Proven Motorsports valve covers. They're just not on yet. Put the old ones on just to cover everything up. So I think he'll be buttoning most of this up. And then I think valve covers will probably be the very last thing. So we'll check back in with cold air intake and valve covers, and that'll pretty much be it. All right, while we're waiting for him, he has got the valve covers on. Remember, the old ones were on there earlier. And we got the paint matched RPM covers. Matches pretty good with the paint, I think. Looks awesome. And then we'll put the inserts in later. All right, what's evap? Well, let's explain. Just give me a little explanation so I know for next time.
Just setting up the purge valve for the evap system, that's all.
Okay.
Non-cars that aren't street driven, we don't do it on, so that was the question of, well, it's a federal offense to tamper with your evaporative system.
Okay.
Purge valve uses engine vacuum to pull fuel vapor out of the gas tank and regurgitate it through the engine.
So that's why you say track use. Understood.
I thought you would. I did that for you.
So are you setting it up for track use?
No.
You're setting up for street use.
This is smog legal.
Cool.
1000%.
Awesome. All right, so he's messing with the evap. Looks like intake, cold air intake needs to still go on. Throttle body's gone. He's got to take that off for this. So put that back on, do the cold air, and then probably put the inserts in, and then we'll be close to finishing up. So we'll check back in when we got another update. Alright, C6Z to the dyno, everything's strapped down, everything's finished. I'll get up here, give you a final look inside the engine bay. There she is, everything done. Fran's going to start tuning it here soon, and we'll see what kind of numbers it looks.
Alright, this is Cameron's car from RPM Transmissions. If you've called there and ordered a trans or something, you've probably talked to either him or Jeremy, whatever. This is his car, 2,000 mile, 2008 C6Z. They already did some stuff to it before it's in here, but as far as like performance-wise, it was stock. But they did monster triple clutch, carbon drive shaft, redid the trans, redid the rear, and did a set of 410 gears in it, which will generally lower the dyno numbers. We did a test years ago, and I think it was like 12 or 15 horsepower. We did it like same day. It was on a GTO, but whatever the case may be. The gears will make it read lower. So a baseline 467 with all that done. And then we just did our full stage 4. So our heads cam package, our BTR intake manifold, American Racing headers, you know, everything that we do with that, Haltech intake. And still on 93, it just made 675 and 553. So it picked up 208 horsepower and 105 foot-pounds of torque, which is pretty killer. I don't know what this thing would have made if it had stock gears in it, but I'm guessing at least 10 more. But he wants us to throw some octane booster in, just as like a whatever, let's see what it makes, and so we're going to do that now. All right, this is what we put in, the VP additive stuff. This is Octanium. It works pretty good. NA cars don't generally pick up a lot. That's why we don't do E85 on C6Zs. There's just not a lot of room for extra timing in there to pick up power. So we put a can of this in. It has about a half a tank. Made 682, 556. So it picked up, what, 7 horsepower or so. This stuff works amazing on like a blower car. So a C7 Z06 or, you know, a 6th gen ZL1, anything like that. It's almost similar to like E85. So if you have one of them and you don't want flex fuel or you don't have E85 around you, this stuff works great. But for NA stuff, that's why I always say we don't do E85. It picks up like maybe 10 and it picked up whatever, 7 or 8 there. So, but solid numbers either way. This thing's gangster.